Hello friends, I am back with my analysis of all India installed capacity, this time with available data on public domain January 2024. If you look at the table I have made, there are 5 regions: northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern and islands. And thermal again can be segregated into coal, lignite, gas, diesel. And then comes nuclear, hydro, renewable energy sources. If you look at the total installed capacity for the month of January 2024, it is 429 gigawatts. The contribution of thermal is 240 gigawatts, whereas for nuclear that is 7480 megawatts. Hydros is 46 gigawatts and total renewable is 135 gigawatts. This is the second part, percentage of various sources to the total installed capacity. If you look at the contribution of thermal to that of the total installed capacity is 55.9%, whereas for the nuclear is 1.73%, and hydro stands 10.9%, and renewable is a remarkable figure 31.42. And the same is depicted by that pie chart here. Now time to talk about the contribution of various sources of thermal. Within thermal, if you will look at the within thermal, the percentage of coal is 86.58, lignite is 2.7, and gas is 10.41, and diesel is 0.24. It is again depicted by that pie chart for audience to understand in detail. And now time to talk about the various sources of renewable. If we take renewable as a 100%, small hydro contributes 3.6, whereas wind contributes 33.28, and biopower 8.02, and the solar 54.99. It's a good figure so far renewable energy is concerned. And again, this pie chart will help the audience to understand the contribution of each component of renewable in a better way. This is about the comparison with respect to the last month, December 2023. There is a slight increase in northern regions, for western regions, southern regions. For eastern region, there is a decrease of minus 0.3%. For others, there is no change. Overall, there is a change of 0.39%. If you do the same comparison of last month, 2023 December with January 2024, the thermal has decreased by 0.12, nuclear has also decreased by 0.01, and hydro has decreased by 0.04, whereas there is a plus 0.17% rise in the renewable energy installed as compared to the last month. If you do the same comparison within a renewable resources, there is decrease in hydro and biopower, whereas there is increase in wind as well as in the solar. If you check the contribution of various sources of renewable, there is change in percentage. For hydro has decreased, wind has decreased, biopower has decreased as compared to December 2023, whereas there is a change in the 0.23% rise of solar contribution in the renewable sector. This was all about the analysis of total installed capacity for this January 2024, and we tried to compare it with December 2023. This series will continue, and I am usually get many calls, many requests from my audience to continue that series, and that will continue. Thanks for your support. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.